Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and this is the PlayStation 4 Slim gaming console. I have never owned a gaming console until this PlayStation 4. And let me tell you, I'm very happy this was the first console I owned. The graphics on the TV are very detailed and crisp. The image doesn't lag, even if I'm running very heavy games or if I'm playing online. The PS4 runs great and reliable. I love using it to play games online with my buddies, and there is so many games available that I never get bored. I also like that I can watch the content of my favorite streaming apps on the PS4, which gives it an extra point for functionality. The look of the PS4 is very neat and it looks very minimalistic. So if you're looking to have some fun, just like when you were a kid, this is the console to get, and that is my point of view.